So as you were standing out on the weather deck, we definitely heard the wind. You have to protect the mic. It's very windy.
Yeah, it's one of those days where if you're at the coast, like T-shirt and shorts with the wind going, it might feel a little cool.
I was thinking that today. I was running errands and I had a sweatshirt on, and I was like, right choice. Like,
right.
Cold.
And this is July 21st, so.
It's odd.
Yeah.
Very odd.
But we've got summer weather coming right back. Of course, it's pretty nice to get a break from blazing sun and heat today. And it's also nice we are not in this. Look at all the tropical air that's sitting to our south. Reason why we're fortunate we're not in this is there has been a ton of severe weather today. Reports of tornadoes and flash flooding, even as close as Connecticut. And now we have a line of pretty impressive thunderstorms going through southern New England. Now, all of this, generally speaking, is coming north tonight. So we expect areas of showers, downpours, and storms, but we don't expect severe weather, damaging winds or hail as that comes through tonight. So it just would be some rain with thunder as we see it now. With that breeze coming in off the ocean and the cloud cover, we put a lid on our temps. The warmest spot in the state is Caribou at 76, while most other places are right around 70. So that rain to our south starts moving in during the evening. If you have evening plans, I'd say from Lewiston south, the rain chance is really going up past 6:30 or 7 o'clock. Much of the rest of the state still dry until later in the evening. By 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, this rain moving into central Maine. And again, it's not evenly distributed, so not everybody gets the same amount of rain, but there will be downpours and storms that swing through during the overnight hours. First thing tomorrow morning, I think we wake up to a lot of clouds. These will be low-level clouds in eastern Maine, likely some fog off the down east coast as well. And it's a much more humid start to the day tomorrow with dew points up near 70. We should get some hazy sun through the middle of the day, but that wind will be gusty again from the southwest and south, 15 up to 25 miles per hour. Clouds really don't clear in down east Maine, especially at the water's edge. But much of the rest of the state, we should see some hazy sun with temps hitting at least 80 if we get that sun. And then we'll have to see what pops up in the afternoon. This particular model only pops a couple of storms, but in the warmth and the humidity tomorrow, it's possible there's a severe storm in the afternoon. So we'll keep an eye on the radar and let you know of any warnings that do come out. We could use the rain, and again, you can see there's a big range here, but some towns where you get repeated downpours overnight could pick up more than an inch, probably favoring down east Maine as it looks now. We need the rain. Alan pointed out to me in Portland, only about a quarter inch so far this month. That is the driest July 1st through 20th period on record in Portland. So we're running a big deficit here. There has been more rain in northern Maine, but even Caribou about an inch below average month to date. After that front goes by, we drop the dew points tomorrow night, and beautiful weather moves in for the rest of the week. High pressure Thursday, Friday, straight into the weekend, and that means we don't get all that humid either. So it's going to be really comfortable for quite a while around here. With that gusty wind tomorrow, seas 5 to 7 feet, small craft advisory up on the water. So be aware of that if you do have any plans for boating tomorrow. Probably not a good day for that with the advisory up. Beautiful on Thursday, less humid, temps in the mid 70s. And look at the overnight lows. We're in the 50s through the weekend. Inland temps warm back into the mid 80s over the weekend. Probably some sea breezes at the coast, but looking pretty good with temps around 80. And maybe not another rain chance until early next week. So hopefully we do get some rain tonight, guys, because the lawns need it, the gardens need it. It'll be a while. And it's mostly at night.
Get it over with overnight.
Right.
Right. That's the better part. Okay, Ryan, thanks.
You're welcome.